Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos, very stunning videos, designs. And this video is all about the crochet skirts designs. Crochet skirts designs are used in different pattern, different stylish videos, are good looking videos ideas I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful videos and stunning designs in attractive videos, more creative and stunning videos, good looking ideas of skirts are used in different pattern. I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful videos of good looking designs and attractive videos of scatter frocks. Scatter frocks are different patterns are available in my channel in these stunning, in these creative videos ideas and different things, different good looking videos, much amazing videos. And I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful stunning designs in attractive videos. You will be stay connected with our channel. Stay will be amazing and stay will be gorgeous and different things, different ideas in newest videos of scatter frocks. So I really appreciate for newly videos, newly designs in attractive things, attractive designs ideas. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notifications for newly designs, newly videos. Our different patterns are used in different things, different basics videos and more creative videos I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful and stunning designs and different ideas. Keep more attractive.